Welcome to my garage. Nah, I'm just kidding. Welcome to Imperial TV. Let's have some great time. Which one should I wear? I guess I'm the man with multiple hats. I'll just wear those today. Be a little represent. Hey, look at this one. I got that one probably about 18 years ago. It's pretty badass. Every time I woke up, it's just like in my face. Dream, believe, and achieve. This one is badass. It says, be awesome today, like a boss. Hustle from coffee to champagne. But first, get you some coffee. Yeah. Oh shoot, I forgot my leftovers. I posted something on Instagram saying that leftovers are so important. They'll save, they'll save the next day. I hope it's still good though. Let's go upstairs so I can get you a shirt. I made those shirts. They go about $100 a piece. They're very, very, very limited edition. For Imperial. You said you were medium? I had one like 4 years ago. And it literally lasted me over 4 years. It's pretty cool. So I got the carbon fiber on the side. Rev up your lifestyle. The cars that we work on. And right here, it's pretty cool. So every time I wake up in the morning, I write down the schedule, write down what we have and what needs to be worked on and what needs to be done. This view is pretty badass. This is a boss's view. You oversee everything. This NSX has been here for over 4 months, waiting on a taillight. Finally, the black Ferrari, the 458 is done. That one took about 6 months. And finally, the black Huracan is also done. Took about 13 months. Parts and back and forth with the insurance due to COVID. It's pretty bad. This one right here is going to be a complete full paint job on the Murcielago's complete restoration job. It's a $75,000 restoration job. Pretty cool, huh? This Jaguar over here, it's about $30,000. Should have been total, but they haven't. So, oh well, we'll still work on it. So a lot of people say, why so much money? Well, this is not Joe Schmo's shop. This is Bud's shop. This is Imperial. Alrighty, let's make everybody happy. Let's go sell some ice cream. Just kidding, let's go. Welcome to the Butch's Mansion. It's a little mess. Not bad. This is where I rest. Instead of driving 2 hours, going to the other house up north, I'll just, relax and chill over here. It's a nice pad. Pretty badass. Oh, you guys should check out my wrist room. My wrist room is pretty badass. It's got like 3 shower heads. It can hold up to 4 people. Okay, that's too much. Now that is another, that's called the left pad. It's pretty badass. It's a mess right now. And then I have Christmas tree all year round. Why? When my daughters come to my house, it's always Christmas at Daddy's house. Check it out. They're not couches. There are, it's a mustache. It's a slider. Alright. Sometimes, if our credit card machine is not working, this is another, form of payment. Look how many stairs are there. There are a lot, too many. But because I walk upstairs like maybe 100 times a day, so now it's like, it's nothing. I can walk upstairs literally, if you want to time me, pull your watch. Whoa!
Perfect. 4 with 27.
Morning. How are you? What do you want to do with this car? Okay. That one's gonna be a complete paint job. Go ahead, clean all the marks. Take out the mirror. The doors. Okay, so leave the doors last thing, okay?
Okay.
Take out the mirror. So I can order another one. Take out the bumper cover, take out the headlight. The headlight washer caps. The hood, leave it on for right now. What about take out the other rocker, but don't damage this one, lady. Take out the rear bumper cover, this rocker, and Brandon, have the girls actually take out the clear bra. Okay. So that way the painter doesn't have a hard time peeling it off once they have nothing to do. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
I'll take out the bumper cover, the headlights, and the rear bumper and the other side still. On the bumper, go ahead and detrim it so that we can fix all the rock chips, pull them up, strip it down. There's some undercarriage damage. Remember the aluminum plates I told you about? Take them off, repair those. And that's it. Do not touch the wheels. Make sure the wheels don't get scratched. Leave them for me. I want to fix those myself.
Okay.
Cool?
Alright.
Thank you.
Bye, man. But for sure you have to replace the
You have to replace the radiator. So make sure we write this up. This car has to go back like brand new again.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes, sir. So you want to take it off the front right now, or you have to wait for the insurance?
On that one, just wait for the insurance to come. In the meantime, let's focus on this vehicle right here. And then after you finish that one, on the Jesus Mobile, I need you to put the brackets on the rear bumper cover.
Which car?
On the Mercedes CLS.
CLS?
Okay.
Alright.
I'm gonna try to convince him to actually cut out the
Make it straight.
yeah, so it sounds good. That's work. Let's go take a look at the paint area and see what everybody's doing. Not bad. They're painting. Love you, Papa. One of the best painters I've ever met in my life. Great guy. Let's go pick up the McLaren. So we can go to McLaren Houston. So they have like a soft opening, or it's like a soft ground opening. Then also they're gonna be showing me the new 765 LT. So that's gonna be badass. Let's kick ass, brother. Wind blowing trash everywhere. I always care how clean your place is. That's money right there. I literally have 4 keys in my pocket. This feels so heavy. Hey, Mark. That one is ready? All taken care of?
Ready to go? Yeah.
This is my mark.
This is good.
My mark. This is my mark.
Imperial.
My territory.
Imperial, baby. Imperial.
My territory.
We come and change the game.
Y'all want to steal him from me? Just like everybody else sold the other rappers?
We come and tear.
Just pay him double.
Taking over.
You can have him. Not bad. Also, we wrap commercials. Yeah.
Yeah, you're good, man. What's up, man? How you doing?
Right?
I will put a stripper pole. Like putting a stripper pole here would be fucking perfect. You know, we should start designing our own and making our own. Like buy like a fleet, like 10 of those. Furnish it like this. Not bad. I'm impressed. I am your father. No, I'm just fucking with you. I'm Mr. Steal Your Girl. to my heart. Where's my seatbelt? I'm a cheater. No, I'm just kidding. This is so funny though, but here, check this out. I put it on because sometimes I'm just like inside the shop and I want to like put the car up, down, or like engage it in gears and stuff. So it tells me to put my seatbelt on. I'm like, really? Are you freaking kidding me? It's a McLaren. My favorite cars would be Lambos, 100% for sure. Second favorite cars, sure, McLaren. Then Ferraris. Then BMWs. Then Mercedes. Then Porsches. Then the rest. One of my best friends yesterday, he's also a photographer. He asked me, what's up with going on dates 7 days a week? I'm like, that's kind of like a part-time job. I mean, it's a lifestyle. I mean, I date so I don't catch feelings. You know? I've been in a relationship for 11 years. I have 2 beautiful daughters. I'm done. Like, I don't need to get married. I don't need to have a serious relationship yet. Why? I don't need it. I guess nobody has earned the key to my heart, I guess. I mean, I date, we have fun, we have a great time. It's not like we get in bed every time, every night, no. I only date like classy girls. I'm classy too. But also, I like to get in bed with like Ferraris, Lamborghinis, girls, Bugattis, and all those cars. Not Toyotas, Hondas, I mean, in my book, that's how I think of it. I hope I'm not insulting anybody. Y'all always gorgeous, y'all always beautiful, but I'm a picky guy. And it's good to be picky. It's really good. This place is pretty badass. Hi, I'm Butch Hamad. Welcome to heaven. I think I like you, but I haven't made that decision yet because of the financials, you know, they're not met there yet. But will you marry me in a couple of years when I get like a couple $1 million maybe or something? Or yes, no?
That Indigo Auto Group wanted to give to you. These are actually personal made little models that you can go ahead and display on your desk.
Nice.
And if I'm not mistaken, I think you got number 69. I believe so, yeah. I think that's the number you got.
That's beautiful though. I appreciate it.
No, no problem.
What
Yeah.
can I get my 69?
But yeah, I'm definitely gonna, I'll put it in bags and stuff for you as well. Like this. And then it also comes with an Indigo hand sanitizer.
Perfect. Thank you for your hospitality, and thank you for the gifts, and thank you for everything.
You're welcome. We appreciate it.
I
We
will
appreciate you
definitely
stopping by
be
and seeing
buying
us.
more and more cars for sure.
Oh, well, we look forward to seeing you.
Yeah, great people. I appreciate it.
No, thank you. We have a really good deal right now. If you buy some barbecue chips from us for only $400,000, you get a free McLaren.
I think I just found my match. I mean, I married the Brazilian car, and I got my side chick right here. It matches me perfect. Why not? Little something, something. You know, life is good, right? Enjoy it. It's like 2 in 1 today. 2 in 1. I swear to God, this is hilarious. Oh my God, 2 in 1. The Brazilian car, and then this one right here. Like, look at the size. Like, damn. That's just me. I just proposed to a Brazilian chick, and I just found me a side chick. Is that even possible nowadays? That's a perfect match. Don't tell nobody. I love this car. It's pretty badass. I would buy it. It's pretty cool. I love white. White is always innocent. Pretty cool. Kind of love now. At the first glance. I like it. Let's go talk about the price. Well, that's it for today, guys. We came over to McLaren Houston for their freshly grand opening, or soft grand opening. We checked out the 765 LT. Pretty dope, pretty hot car, pretty badass. But I'm still in love with that, the yellow Brazilian. Pretty cool, right? Please subscribe to my channel, Imperial TV. Love you guys. See you guys next time. Ciao.